Santa brought you an early Christmas present. Don't miss this one. How's everybody doing? Merry Christmas. It's that time of year again. So we're going to make a quick short video. Just got this car in a few days ago. I've been driving it for a couple days. 2006 Mercedes-Benz C230 Sport with the AMG Appearance package. One owner car out of Scottsdale, Arizona. Bought new at Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale, serviced there, and Schumacher Mercedes. Clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, maintenance history on the Carfax. This is a beautiful car. No accident history whatsoever. Runs and drives phenomenal. It's got 91,000 miles on it. Has been meticulously maintained. Beautiful car, nice paint, fully loaded, pretty much with about every option you could get in this car. Of course, you know, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, power locks, tilt, telescopic, dual power sport seats, satellite radio. Actually, the satellite radio is still active and works. Original jack, spare, tools, first aid kit, everything in the trunk. You can see some of the pictures here. Interior is beautiful on the car, all original leather, excellent condition. Tires are good all the way around, has just passed emissions and is ready for its new owner. Don't miss this one. Price to sell, way under market, good looking car. Fly in, drive home, ship it home, whatever you want to do. You're not going to find a nicer one out there. You know, one owner cars like this that have been maintained as well as this car has are getting harder and harder to find. One of the first things you're going to notice in this car is, take a look at the headlights. The headlights are crystal clear. That tells you this car has never sat outside. This car has been garaged probably since day one. That's why the paint looks as good as it does. And the car was definitely very well maintained. Take a look at some of the pictures, see the rest of the video. Everybody have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. And we're coming to the end of 2024. I want to say thank you for all my subscribers, and for you guys that haven't subscribed, you know, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe, comment, share. Every little bit helps. Enjoy the rest of your day and your holiday this week. Link in description below, full description, phone number, everything you need is right there. Take care, everybody. Have a Merry Christmas.